Good morning, everyone. Today our topic is playing with numbers. Okay. In this, we are discussed about divisibility rules. What is divisibility rule? So, what is a divisibility rule? Means, for example, we are doing this number is divisible by 2 means you are doing normal division and you will confirm this number is divisible by 2 or not. So without doing normal division, check the number that number is divisible by 2 or not. That are divisibility rules. Okay. So first we will check divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. So what is divisibility by 2? How to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So how to check the divisibility rule means, for example, in ones place, yes, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These type of digits are present in ones place means that type of numbers are divisible by 2. So let's take example of 2. For example, 4, 3, 6, 7, 8. So now tell me this number is divisible by 2 or not. How you will check without doing normal division? See, check this ones place. So in this ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any this number is present there means this number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. So let's take one example 56740. So this number is divisible by 2 or not. How you will check? Just check ones place. In this ones place, what is the digit? 0. So 0 is divisible by this number is divisible by 2. Okay, let's take one example 263. 263. This number is divisible by 2 or not. How you will check? Just check ones place. In ones place 3 is there. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. No, like this number not there. So, this number is not divisible by 2. Okay, like these are divisible property of 2. So, next, this one by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Okay, so what is the property divisible by 3? Let's sum of the digits. For a sum of the digits is divisible by 3 means that number is divisible by 3. So for example, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits divisible by 3. So let's take one example. So for example, you take 24. 24. Sum of the digits means 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Sum of the digits means, so these two digits add means you will get 2 plus 4, you will get 6. So 6 is divisible by 3 or not. How will check? You are dividing 6 by 3, you will get remainder as 0. 3 2's 6. So remainder 0. So 6 is divisible by 3. So like this you will check the divisibility of 3. Okay. Next one 342. Let's check this one. 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So this 9 is divisible by 3. This 9 is divisible by 3. So this is the divisible property. So this number is divisible by 3. This number also divisible by 3. Next, 526. Check this number. 5 plus 2 plus 6. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 is divisible by 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. So these two are examples of divisible by 2. This one divisible by 3. Okay. Now we will check. Now we will check divisible by 6. Okay. Now we will check divisible by 6. See, divisible by 6 means divisibility by 6 means the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. The number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So already you know the divisible property of 2 and the divisible property of 3. So for example, let's take one number. That number is divisible by 6 or not. How to check? So first one, so check this number 478. So this number is divisible by 6 or not? How to check without doing normal division? So check this number is first divisible by 2 or not. So check divisible by 2, check divisible by 3. So in ones place, what is the digit? 8 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay. And this number, sum of the digits. Okay. 4 plus 7 plus 8. Sum of the digits how much? 4 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. So sum of 4 plus 7 plus 8 how much? 4 plus 8, 12 plus 7, 19. So this 19 is not divisible by 3. Okay. This number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Okay. Now let's take one number 7224. So check this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So 2, 3. So divisible by 2 means in ones place. In ones place, what is the value? 4. So this number is divisible by 2. So sum of the digits. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. So that is equal to how much? 2 plus 2, 4, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So this number divisible by 6. Okay. This is the property of 6 and these are the examples of divisibility of 6. Okay. Let's we discuss divisibility by 9. Let's we discuss divisibility by 9. What is the divisible property of 9? The sum of the digits divisible by 9 means that number is divisible by 9. So let's we check divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. So what is the rule? What is the rule? Sum of the digits, sum of the digits divisible by 9. divisible by 9. So for this, let's take one example. For this, let's take one example and check. So let's take one example. So all of these take as running notes. Let's take one example of divisible by 9. Okay. 8, 3, 6, 4. So how to check the divisibility by 9? Sum of the digits. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4. You will get 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 21. So 21 is divisible by 9 or not? Not divisible. Okay. 21 is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next, let's take one more example. 9, 8, 4, 6. Let's check this number is divisible by 9 or not. Okay. 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. So let's check. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. Yes, 9 3 is 27. So 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is divisible by 9. This number is not divisible by 9. Okay. Next, let's see, discuss about divisibility rule by 5. Divisibility rule by 5. Divisibility by 5. So how to check? In ones place 0 comma 5. In ones place the digits 0 comma 5. There means the number is divisible by 5. For this, let's take some examples. 2, 6, 4, 0. So last ones place 0 is there. This one is divisible by 5. 2, 6, 7, 8, 2, 5. So how to check this number is divisible by 5 or not? So in ones place the digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Okay. Next, 8, 6, 3, 2. So in ones place the digit is 2. So this number is not divisible by 5. Let's take one more example. 6, 4, 5, 2, 3, 0. So in ones place 0 is there. So this number is divisible by 5. This number is divisible by 5. Okay. So now we'll discuss divisibility by 10. Divisibility rule by 10. So what is the divisibility rule by 10? So in ones place divisibility by 10. So in ones place the digit in ones place 0. 0 present means that type of numbers are divisible by 10. So for 10, let's take one example. Some examples. Okay. 6, 7, 3, 2, 0. 5, 4, 6, 2, 1. This number divisible by 10. In ones place 1 is there. So this number not divisible by 10. So 200. This number divisible by 10. 9990. This number divisible by 10. In ones place 0 is there. Okay. So 5555. In ones place the digit is 5. So this number is not divisible by 10. Okay, so this is the properties of, these are some properties, some number properties of divisibility. Okay, for this let's take some practice bits, some exercise 1, some practice bits we will take. Okay, so I will give some numbers. Let's check that numbers are divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Okay, let's take some exercise bits. Let's take some exercise bit. Yes, exercise 3.1. So let's take some example. Check the whether the following, check the following numbers divisible by 2, 3 and by 6. So I will give some examples. So that numbers are divisible by 6 or not, let's check. Okay. So first one, 321729. Okay, 321729. Now check this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Okay, first we will check by 2. Next we will check by 3. Okay, in this the ones place the digit is 9. So not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. Okay, so sum of the digits, 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to how much? 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 20, 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. So it divisible by 3. But here not divisible, here divisible. So obviously this number not divisible by, not divisible by 6. Okay, got it? So let's check first, this number is divisible by 2. Means in ones place 9 is there. In ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Any digit is there means that number is divisible by 2. So in ones place 9 is there. So this one not divisible by 2. So the sum of the digits you will get 24. So this number is divisible by 3. So what is the property of 6? If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then only the number is divisible by 6. But this number is not divisible by 2. So this one not divisible by 6. Okay. Like this, one more example we will take. 197,232. Okay. So first check divisible by 2. Next divisible by 3. Okay. So in ones place 2 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. Now check this number is divisible by, now check this number is divisible by 3 or not. So 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3. You will get 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 20, 22. So 22 is divisible by 3, not. So this number not divisible by 3, this number is divisible by 2. So this number is obviously not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Okay. Next, let's we take some more like these problems. Okay. Third one, Let's take 9, 7, 2, 1, 3, 2. Okay, let's check. This one is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. So in one's place 2 is there. So this number divisible by 2. Okay. Now check sum of the digits. 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. That is equal to, you will get 9 plus 1, 10, 7 plus 3, 10, 20. So 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. Okay. So this number is divisible by 3. So finally this number is divisible by 6. Finally this number is divisible by 6. Okay. Next one more bit like this. 1790184. Now check, this number is divisible by 2, 3 and 6. Okay. So 2 and 3. So in one's place 4 is there. So this number is first divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2. Next, sum of the digits take 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. That is equal to, so 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 8, 30. So 30 is divisible by 3. Okay. So this number is divisible by 6. This number is divisible by 6. Okay. Next. So now we will check some numbers, some examples I will give. Determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 or 10. Up to now, we'll check 2, 3 and 6 divisibilities. Now we will take some examples and check whether that numbers are divisible by 5 and 10. Okay. So I will give some examples. Check the numbers are divisible by 5 comma 10. Okay, I will give set of numbers 25, 25, 125, 250, 250, 1000, 250. Next 10205. Okay. Next 70985, 45880. 45880. Okay. Now separate these numbers. Which number is divisible by 5? Which number is divisible by 10? Okay. So for this we make one column. We will make one table. So in this table we will take here number. We will take here number. Next here divisible by 5. Okay. Next here check divisible by 10. Okay. Now tell me first 25. First 25. First 25 is divisible by 5. Yes. If this number is divisible by 10, no, in one's place 0 is not there, so not. So let's take 125. So this number is divisible by 5. So in one's place 5 is there. So by divisible by 0, not. Okay. Next 250. Check 250 is divisible by 5. Yes. In ones place 0 is there. So 5 divisible by 5 means in ones place any number 0 or 5 is there means that number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 10 means in ones place only 0 is present, then that number is divisible by 10. Okay. So this number 250 is divisible by 10. Okay. Next we will take 1250. 1250. Next 10205 70985 45880. Okay. So 1250 in ones place 0 is there. So this one divisible by 5. This one divisible by 10. So in ones place 5 is there. So this one divisible by 5. But this one not divisible by 5. Okay. Next. Check this. Check this. This one divisible by 5. This one not divisible by 10. Check this one. This one divisible by 5. This one divisible by 10. Okay. So this is the properties of divisible properties of 2, 3 and 6. And these are divisible properties of 5 and 10. Divisible properties of 5 and 10. Thank you for watching today's class. Please subscribe for getting related videos.